What's going on, y'all? Today we are back with the 400EX, and we are going to be doing some chain maintenance using this multi-road chain tire kit. Seems like it comes with a brush, clean chain, and chain lube. As you can see, chain is looking a little raggedy, daggly, and scraggly. So let's get that fixed up today. Let's open up the box, read a couple instructions, and let's see if we can get this chain cleaned. In the box we have the chain brush cleaner, we have the chain clean, and the chain lube. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the 400 up. I'm going to put it in first gear, hit it with the chain clean, let it sit for about 5 minutes, hit it with the brush, let it clean it, and then we're going to lube it. So let's get to it. Lemon. And we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes per the instructions, and then we will start it back up, hit it with the brush to clean it, and then hit it with the chain lube. All right, it's been 5 minutes, so let's start it back up and let's clean it and lube it. Oh, lemon. Alright, and I think that is all she wrote. So everything is looking nice and lubed, nice and clean, nice and lubed. Everything is looking good, and that's going to be it. So I mean, you're looking at 10 minutes start to finish. Clean it up, lube it up, and then you can ride it up. So I will put the link in the description for this multi-road chain care kit. It does say in the instructions that it is for off-road and on-road, even though it says road chains kit. You know, there is an off-road and an on-road for those roads. And then do this probably every other ride or something like that, and you should be good to go. So think, build, enjoy. Peace.